What's your alarm ringtone? Oh, I'm basic. Well, it depends because I have multiple, and I choose one every day to set. So one of them is different. Most of them are hold on, where's my alarms? So I usually use the basic but one of these is different. Which one is different? Hold on. Oh, and then I use daybreak. I use because it feels like I'm waking up in like liminal space, you know? Hey! Here! I'll be an alarm for you. Someone you can use this. Wake up! I hope someone uses that. Free voice pack! Woohoo!